Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header on Wix. A transparent header lets your page content or hero image show through behind your site's navigation, creating a clean, modern look. It's perfect for full-width banners and helps your design feel more open, but it works best when your text and logo remain easy to read against whatever sits underneath. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. This is the drag and drop workspace where you can move and style elements on your pages. Give the editor a moment to load and make sure you're on a page where you can clearly see the section behind your header, such as your homepage hero. That way you can evaluate readability as you make the change. Next, click directly on your header to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and a small label that says header. If you click and don't see that label, you might have selected the page background or a strip instead, so try again right at the top of the page. Selecting the correct element is important because transparency needs to be applied to the header itself, not to the page behind it. With the header selected, look for the floating toolbar and choose Design, then Customize Design. This opens the design settings specific to your header. Depending on your template, you might see options for fill color, image border, and shadow. These controls all affect how your header looks on top of your content. In the background section, set the background to transparent. If you see an opacity slider, drag it all the way to 0%. If there's a color swatch or image fill, remove it or set its opacity to 0. As you adjust, keep an eye on your navigation links and logo. If they start to disappear against your background, you may want to plan for stronger contrast on the content beneath the header so everything remains legible. That's it, the header itself is now transparent. Scroll and check a couple of sections to make sure the transparency looks intentional across different parts of the page. Transparent headers look best when the area behind them is simple or has enough contrast, like a dark overlay on a hero image or a solid color strip at the top of each page. If your site uses multiple page designs, review them to ensure the header stays readable everywhere. You've just learned how to make a transparent header on Wix quickly and cleanly.